To start off our effortless hairstyles, the first hairstyle we're going to do is a simple Dutch braid. The key difference is I'm adding more volume to one side of my hair so it doesn't look flat. A French braid we're going over, while a Dutch braid we're going under. I don't think it matters what braid you do, I just have the habit of doing a Dutch braid. Second hairstyle, all you need is a claw clip and tie your hair in a half up. And of course, leave a few strands sticking out to make it look cuter. The third hairstyle is a more elevated half up for those who have a bit more time. It may look difficult, but I promise it's really easy. We're going to gather the top section of our hair and do a half up, but don't pull all the way through. And clip it to the top for now. Then gather the two side sections of our hair and tie it all together. I like this hairstyle because it adds more volume to your hair. I'm not the best at explaining, but I hope most of you are visual learners. For this next hairstyle, we're going to split our hair into two sections and clip the top back section for now. After leaving a few front pieces, we're going to twist the rest of the front section. Now combine the front and back section together, tie with an elastic close to your ear and twist inwards. Now you can unclip the remaining section and there you have it. The next hairstyle is also a bit similar. We're going to twist the front section of our hair. And once you reach your ear, we're going to tie with an elastic and twist inwards. Now this is optional, but you can also bobby pin it in place. The next hairstyle is going to be a bun. Now this one looks a little complicated, but it really elevates a regular bun. We're going to tie our hair in a ponytail, but we're not going to pull all the way through. Now split into two sections and lift them upwards. We're going to tie an elastic close to the ends and twist inwards. Then create a figure 8 and loop it back into the bun. I decided to clip it with small hair clips instead of bobby pins because I felt it looked cuter. It doesn't have to look perfect. In fact, most of these hairstyles aren't, but they do get the job done. This hairstyle is inspired by xoxo anime leads. We're going to part our front section to the side and clip with whatever hair clip you prefer. Now grab the top half of your hair and tie it to the side as well. Tie with an elastic, then twist and tie again. Create a bun and clip with a small hair clip. I can't get over how cute this hairstyle is. You can leave it like this, or you can move all your hair to one side. And if all these hairstyles still seem too difficult for you, I saved the most easiest one for last. Just part the front section of your hair to the side, spray with a little bit of hairspray, and finish it off with a clip. And that is all the hairstyles I have for you today. I hope you're inspired to recreate at least one of them for back to school. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.